I'm playing the 3200 rated Stockfish, but it's a Hivemind, which means every time I take one of its pieces, it's going to get a little bit weaker. Is it going to be enough for me to win? Let's find out. Here we go. E4. He plays Sicilian. I'm going to play knight c3. E6. Like, I don't love this line, but let's go with f4. I think I'm going to play knight f3. Okay, so when I take this pawn, he's going to go from 3200 down a little bit. All right, so now we're at a 2900 Super Grandmaster, and I think I will make another trade here for two reasons. It's the main line anyway, and it's going to weaken Stockfish a little bit more, so let's go ahead and do it. All right, so now it's just a 2700 Grandmaster. Let me play g3 and fianchetto my bishop here. Yeah, I think this is like the main lines that we're following. Okay, I'm going to castle. Yeah, let's castle. Goes bishop c6. I'm going to play d3. And I'm pretty sure what I'm supposed to do is reroute my knight here. And if we trade bishops, I'm happy with that because it's going to weaken it a little bit more. So let's go ahead with that. He goes with the check. Okay, I probably just move. I don't think that really does too much. He goes back. Yeah, so I want to trade, but I don't think I want to develop his piece for him. So probably need to play knight e4 now. Let's go knight e4. f5. Okay, it seems like this is a weakness here on e6, but can I attack it easily? Maybe not. Could play c3, make the queen leave, but then where does my knight go? Back to f2, or I just go to c3 with the knight? Yeah, I guess knight on c3 is okay. Let's go there. Okay, he's going to trade into me. So when I take this, he's going to get a little bit weaker. Now we are down to 2600 Grandmaster. Let me think. Let's go queen e2. Okay, we attack the weak pawn. He wants to bring his knight in. I see that. Let's stop that. He does it anyway, but I get to make Stockfish even a little bit weaker. Let's do it. Okay, now we're down to 2500 rated master. My knight is under attack. Ooh, I can't go there. I get forked. Yeah, that's really annoying. I guess we have to either go here into f2 or go here to d2. Okay, I'll go to f2. Yeah, I'm going to come around over here with the knight. Or you know what? Maybe I play c4, and when he takes, I just take back with the pawn or the knight. We'll have an isolated pawn, but then we get to trade one more piece. Yeah, I think that's smart. Let's do it. Let's play c4. He's probably going to en passant. He does. And I'll just take back with the knight and take the isolated pawn. And I feel like I'm holding on, which is a good sign. Let me go defend that. Or I could actually, yeah, I'll defend it, but he doesn't even really threaten it. He's not even really threatening it because of this. Okay. I think we need to control this diagonal. I don't like these queen checks if I ever move my knight. So let me go here. Very good. Very good. Okay. How can I force a trade, guys? Wait a second. He's gambiting this pawn? Takes. He wants to go rook over and then come down. Yeah, that's very dangerous. I don't think we should do that. I'm just going to play h4 because I don't know what else to do. Okay. I feel like if I just trade a few more pieces, he's going to be weak enough. He's going to start making mistakes. But how do I do that? That's the question. How do we trade a few more pieces? Maybe here. We're going to lose some pawns, but is it worth it to get the pieces traded? It might be. Let's go for it. This is risky, but we're gonna try it. Okay, he takes me. I'm going to take his rook. Kind of feel like I can invade and maybe take another piece here. Weaken it even further. Ooh. I did not see that. Yikes. That is very dangerous. That is extremely dangerous. Let me go king f1 and try to defend. So he actually does save everything. I need to trade more pieces, guys. It's still a strong player. 2300 is still very strong. Let me see if he'll offer the queen trade. No queen trade. King comes up. Wow. Okay, so I don't know what to do. Let me go back and try to defend. Okay. That makes it a little bit weaker, but can I survive that position? That's the big question. Can I survive that position? Probably need to try. I need to just keep weakening it. I need to keep weakening it. Let's take the bishop. Okay, it's 2200 expert. If I can trade a few more pieces. Why is my position so bad? He's got me cut off. There's no immediate checkmate. He's going to be taking this. I can't do that because of the checkmate. I need to force a trade somehow. How do we force a trade? Let me go here and try to do this. Check. Okay, let's see if he takes. No. How about now? Yes. Okay, this is going to weaken it a little bit more. Now we're down to 2100 rated expert, but I'm in a totally losing position. Let me try to trade a pawn, get it even weaker. Okay, this is going to be good. I'm going to get one pawn here. We're at a 2000 rated expert. I am in check. Let me run. Let me run. Okay, this way we can trade multiple pieces. Yeah, that's my best chance. So we take one here. Now we take the queen. Problem is these pawns. Every 1800 knows how to push these pawns, right? Do I have any chance? Do I have any chance at all? Probably not. Of course, he's just going to push them. I needed to make a mistake. I needed to make a significant mistake. Doesn't look like it's happening, does it? He takes... No. Because of course, I mean, yeah, I could take this and weaken it a little bit, but it's going to be... It's 1800. 1800 knows how to push a pawn. Dude. Okay, I weakened it one more click. That's 1700. Yeah, there's no way. There's no way. Nope. 1700 can easily win this. Stockfish. All right, let's try again. All right, round two. I'm going to play better. I'm going to play, let's play d4. Maybe we can trade more pieces this way. I'm going to go into like a collie, something just really solid. And just, yeah, let's just trade whenever I get the opportunity. Okay, perfect. I'm going to take that. 2900 Super Grandmaster. How can I trade some more? Maybe I'll sink my knight in. No, let's just castle. Let's castle first. Let's go with b3, bishop b2, and then I think I'll sink a knight in here. Perfect. Now we get to trade, or I could even just leave it. Let's just trade. 2700. Okay, let's play c4. I'm going to trade a pawn here. That's an easy trade for me. Perfect. 2600. I need to get my knights to e5 again. Oh, even trade rooks. Perfect. Let's do it. Yes, exactly. We take that. Feeling very good about this. Let's go trade again. Absolutely. Take that. He's down to 2400 and I'm still in a pretty solid position, I think. So let's see if we can trade one more piece. Yes, absolutely. Okay. And I just want to trade as many pawns as I can. Just weaken it. Weaken it. Let's see. Is that a good trade though? Maybe not. Go g3. Okay, he takes me. Perfect. I take this. All right. Hold on. Let's think about this carefully. Let me bring my king over to the center. Oh, that's a blunder. Let's not blunder the pawn. We go there to stop that. Okay. Maybe we go here. Nope, we can't do that because of this. Maybe we go here, trade the knights. Okay, there we go. That's a trade I like. I need a trade. Where can I make a trade? If we can trade the bishops. Trading the bishops. Bring my king. Yes, that's what I wanted. Let's take that. Okay, it's even weaker. We are at 2000. So we're playing against a 2000. The question is, can we win this endgame? Can we win this endgame against a 2000 rated player? I can bring my king here. He can always cut me off. I can reroute this bishop so that we're at least targeting the pawn. Let's try to bring the king now. Yeah, he's not going to let me in, but maybe we sacrifice a pawn. Maybe we just sack a pawn here to get in. I do get to capture one. It's a losing thing, but I get to capture a pawn, which means we weakened him down to 1900. And now my king can invade. My king can invade. I can sack another pawn, weaken it some more, but let me get my bishop in position first. Actually, then there's going to be checks. I probably need to go for it. All right, we're going to go for it. Oh, he doesn't take it. Interesting. So if we bring the bishop, am I getting checkmated? That's a checkmate threat right there. Wow. I have to run. Oh, this is still 1900 though. This is still 1900, guys. Oh, man. This is actually harder than I thought it was going to be. I'm not going to lie. This is much harder than I was expecting it to be. I mean, I could take one more piece, bring it down to 1800. That's not good enough to sacrifice a bishop. Let me try to run this way. Let's stop the pawn. Okay, we're going to at least be able to take that. Okay, we get one piece gone, so it goes down to 1800. No, there's no way. 1800 is going to beat me. You got to be kidding me. You have to be kidding me. Let's try again. I'm going to win this time. Okay, I'll go back to e4. Just play normal. Just play normal. Forget about trading. Just play like the best moves. That's what you need to do. Knight's here. He plays a6. Okay, so we go back. Yeah, this one is, I think trading is good. So we take it. He's now 2900. Let's drop the knight back and play c3. Perfect. We'll take this way. He is now a 2700. I will simply castle. And I believe we can go into a Maroxy bind. So this is where you just get a clamp and you try to target this pawn. Let me jump my knight around. I think I will go here and trade. Wait a second. There, takes. Yeah, that's a whole bunch of trades. I would be happy with that. Okay, doesn't do it. Let's go ahead and solidify this. Okay. Am I okay with this trade? Yeah, I think so. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe I should go g3 and f4, actually. Yeah, let's do that. I'm not super concerned with this because I can bring my bishop back. What is this? What is he doing? Takes. He wants this, but then I take there. I get to get rid of two pieces. Get these pawn. Yeah, let's do it. We're going to weaken him too. So we take one there. We'll take this back. We'll take this, bumps them down to 2300. And I don't mind my position. I feel like these pawns are, maybe they're not that strong. Maybe they're not. Thought they were stronger than this. F4, we have to be careful. Takes. I think that the trading is getting into my head and I'm making moves that I wouldn't normally make. Which is what's the problem, honestly. He plays bishop c1. What is this? I'm going to offer a trade. I need to get more pieces off. Doesn't go for it. Let's go back. Okay, let's go line up here. He's repositioning the bishop. Okay, I'm going to go a3. You're not threatening anything. b4. Oh, you are threatening something. Dude, all right, we take it. He gets a little weaker, 2200, but I'm in a losing position. Oh boy. Oh boy, it's mate in 2. Seriously? All right. Forget about trading. Just play normal, Nelson. Just play good chess. Let's try knight f3 this time. Go with the check. Okay, this is book line, so that's why I'm okay trading. d4 should be fine. And again, we lower him down to 2,700. Okay, knight c3. This one, I think we just go back here. Let's castle. Bishop g5. I do want to take the knight so I get a grip on the d5 square. So I'll take it. And now he's down to a 2,600. Okay, this is a great position for us. We should be fine. Bring our knight in. Keeps doing this. Bishop g5. Like, do I just go f4? I don't think that's right. Play c3. Keep his knight out of here. Play queen b3. Okay, I'm not going to rush the trade here. Actually, I will because I want to make sure it happens. Okay, so we get the trade. He's now down to 2,500. My position is rock solid. Let's go here. We have no queen trade. Yeah, let's do it. Good. Down to 2,400, and we have an amazing position. Let's plant this guy here. Trading some more. Playing against the 2,300, and we have a winning position. All right. Oh, wait, I can just take this. I can just take this right now. All right, we got it. Finally, we got it. Let's double up the rooks. Let's relocate the knight to a better square. How about here? How about kick this bishop out of here? Oh, he's falling apart. What is that? He's falling apart. Look at this. Loses that, gets even weaker. I'll just defend this knight since it's defending my pawn. Forcing a trade. Let's go. Now it's at 2,000 and I'm up a piece. Could pretty much do whatever I want. Let's go for this. Threatening the fork. He stops that one. Ooh, you guys see a tactic? You see a nice little tactic? Look at that. And a check. Let's do it. We take that. He goes down to 1,900. We go with a fork. He goes down to 1,800. Yes. Finally, this was a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. To be totally honest, I did not expect this to take this many tries. I'm going to bring my king up and win. Okay, let's just not let his king in. Take that. He gets a little weaker. He's down to 1,700. Yeah, I'll trade these pawns. That's fine. Now he's down to 1,600. Yes. Okay. I might even be able to let him take this. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 moves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 moves. If I get it first, I'll have an extra pawn. It should be winning. I guess I could technically make my life a little easier. Here, check. Yeah, let's eat. We don't even have to go down that route. We just go here and take the pawn. This is he gets even weaker, by the way. Now he's down to a 1,500. Now he's down to 1,500. I can push my pawn. I'll just push my pawn. Push my pawn. Take this. That's the lowest possible 1,400, and I can get a queen and win. Okay. Let's go here, and then we'll get the checkmate. Get the other queen. Come down here. Yes. That's how you beat 3,200 rated Hivemind Stockfish. Although, yeah, that was much more challenging than I thought it was going to be. Let me know if you guys can do it and how long it takes you. But that was fun. Thanks for the suggestion. I got that from like a 2-year-old video, by the way. 2 years ago, somebody suggested that. And I just happened to see it. So, see you guys next time.